Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Davlin and this is Davi's World.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
So today is vlogging day. I'm just gonna vlog a little because my phone is actually 22%. We're gonna head to Walmart to get a few things for us to cook on New Year's. Like we're planning on cooking lasagna, some jerk chicken, some white rice. I think that's it. And then we need a charger because my charger broke. And maybe that's probably it. But yeah, it's gonna be a quick Walmart run and then we're gonna come back and I don't know what else. But let's go.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Cause you really want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever hold me? Did you ever picture us? I pull my hair with me up there. You agree and one day we disappear. Cause
No, you're here. We gotta put food there. sure which one I should get. So we're actually thinking of doing our own fireworks this New Year's. So let's see what we will get. Either like this one. I already got some of these because I love these, like the little childhood memories. But like what else? Because we want to do our own fireworks. Every year we always watch other people fireworks, but this year I really want to do the fireworks myself. So let's see. Got this one and also this one. Oh, it's gonna be so exciting.
Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, 4 shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my date. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come. All depend. This is it. Ride the foot. I know fit. Die for nothing. What's it come? You are come. All depend. They got it. Ride the foot. I know fit. Oh now.
A big one. Turn on my camera.
I don't like all of them.
Mama!
What are you doing?
Can't like that one. That one's like in the side.
A lot of smoke! Whoa! Mario!
Did I? Okay.
It's getting red. It's getting red, Daddy. Oh.
We're prepping the grill because we're gonna do some jerk chicken. Me and my boo. Me and my boo. But yeah, we're gonna do some jerk chicken. I actually did my lasagna yesterday because we couldn't figure out what to do yesterday. So I just did my lasagna yesterday. But I forgot to record it. I got out at 6 o'clock. I know, New Year's Eve, getting out at 6 o'clock. But you know what? It's fine. I got out at 6 o'clock. Just hopped in to do my my lasagna and my rice and finished like around like 7:30. But yeah, it was a lot. But right now we're gonna do some jerk chicken. I'm gonna make another, maybe I'm gonna make another pot of rice, and we're gonna eat it with some corn too. So yeah.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I'm releasing your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is...
I learned and heard that if you season your koyu, which is basically why I showed you guys the ingredients, I season up the koyu. I heard that once you season it, like it gives more a vibrant, more taste to your meat. So I'm gonna see if it's true. So I actually put some seasoning in that koyu. Let's see if it's actually true.
Plenty so far we face just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want young life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night, go shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, boat I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Rose and trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my bitch. If you become a shit, I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.